Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss a topic trigonometry of class 10th, the basic introduction guys. In this scenario, examples that we use in real life, where the trigonometry concepts we use in real life. Okay. We can use the height of the tree. See, actually we can find the height or length or distance between them for any object, right? If we want to take the length of a room or the size of the ceiling to flooring, you can take with tape or with scale, yes or no. But if the objects are big, it is not possible to take with the help of the ruler or with the help of scale. So for that purpose they gave an option called trigonometry guys. Okay, this is also not exact value we get an approximate values near to the values. Okay, so we can find the height of the trees. Okay, and if we want to find the height of a mountain, it is not possible to find with the help of a ruler and with the help of a scale, right? With the help of a tape also it takes, we can, but it's a very long process, very long process, yes or no. So with the help of this visionary, see how the vision is seeing according to the elevation. Based on that, they have introduced this concept guys. See here a person is observing the height of a mountain. See here vision will be in this way, yes or no. If he is going near to the object, the angle of vision will be increases. If he is going farther from the object, the vision will be normal, will be decreases. Okay, based on that they gave this concept. Now we can find the height of the mountains, we can find the distance between the lake. Okay, distance between them, we can find the width of the lake also, and also we can find the height of the building guys, height of the building. Okay, so for longer objects, for finding the length or distance between them for bigger objects, we use trigonometric concepts. I hope you understand this sum. In the next video we are going to concentrate on other topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.